What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 12th of November. We're going to take a look here at Aerodrome Finance this morning. This will be the US dollar pair, and this will be Coinbase price data, daily chart, ticker symbol AERO USD. So far, the third day of a pullback here. We were just in the green, and then the markets flipped here this morning on this Tuesday morning. Aerodrome currently sitting down 1.12%. Nothing too crazy, not too big of a deal. Let's talk about this. Let's zoom in a little bit on the chart. So we still have our resistance coming in at $1.58 right up here, guys. Just below that 156, but we'll just go with our highest target, which would have been 158. We are currently below also the 151, 150, 147. That's this green level here. So far, market support showing up pretty well at the 144.5. That's right here. So you can see where this market topped out back at the 144.6 level. This area right here, let's put a circle on it. So an old ceiling of resistance is actually getting, so far anyways, turned into a floor of support right here. So that's good to see. Obviously, we'll see if it holds. Time will tell. There's also a slight pennant pattern forming here. So basically that is like a triangle, if you want to call it that. Let's see if we can get this on the chart here. Roughly like this. And, it's anybody's guess. We'll use the candle wicks. Not in a perfect world, you wouldn't do that. You would use the candle bodies. So we'll see what happened. Hopefully this does break to the upside. I have seen these break both ways. So, hey, we'll see. Upside breakout continuation. If markets do continue to trend higher, that would be my guess. Would be this is a continuation pattern to the upside. We still have our upper targets. We're looking for a 171.6 for Aerodrome. 171.6. So as long as this support holds, basically this 144, 145 area right here, 144.5 is the level. As long as this holds and, this thing takes a breather, I think we'll be on our way up to the 171.6 right here, guys. So far, so good. I don't see too much trouble. What I am aware of, though, of course, is the lower highs. So we had a reversal off of 158. We have a lower high on the 11th of November, another lower high today. Today is a higher low. Yesterday looked like a higher low. So we have inside days. That's what forms this pennant pattern. So what you want to see is a daily higher low, which we have today, and then also a daily higher high. So we would have to rally quite a bit here to get above yesterday's high, which was $1.54. When we start to see a market like that, that starts to flip the switch in a more bullish outlook. Lower highs and lower lows, not so bullish. So that is that here for Aerodrome. Let's see what this looks like from where we're currently trading at, which would be $1.46 up to 171. Call it a 17% move up to the 171 price target. And we'll see. It's been a long time, real long time since I've seen Bitcoin up. I think it was up over 11,000. The futures, maybe actual Bitcoin, up over $11,000 yesterday evening. That's insane. And I talked about this in the past, that the consolidation that it's in, if and when it breaks out, it could be huge. And huge is what played out. Why aren't we seeing Aerodrome move with it? That's a good question. Let's not ignore this massive pump we saw here over about 4 or 5 days. That is off of the neckline. So from where it's currently up 40%, it was up as much as, 50 or so percent in just a couple days. So, you gotta, don't forget those things. It's better than what this could have happened here, which would be a massive tank to the downside. Big shorts here. So we'll see. We'll see if this thing can gather itself here and, continue to break out to the upside. But we'll be following it one day at a time. But just don't forget how far it's come. It's come from the 61 cent level, guys. It's at $1.47. That's huge. Let's see what that looks like. Basically 140%. 140% in not that long a time. So just saying, that's very, very good. Let's jump over to Bitcoin trading at 87,826, 87,000, down 1%. We're above 80. We're above the 80 resistance. My next target, like I said, is up there at 96,626. Finding some resistance here, but what I'm looking for is this 96 level. Talked about this in the past, that this is a massive amount of energy built up over a very long period of time, and this is a large consolidation. A breakout above this could be insane and huge, and that's exactly what we're seeing. Who knows if it'll hold, but right now this thing is going straight up, which is not sustainable, but big breakout above resistance, right above the all-time highs of the 74,000. We're long the micro futures, and all is well. Guys, thanks for watching. Of course, not financial advice. 87,824 for Bitcoin. We're looking for 96,000. Aerodrome is at $1.46. Let's real quick keep your eyes today on the 144.6, 144.5. That's support below the market. If things start to fade, you could look at 140, 138, 136. That's this green, orange, and blue lines for support. But so far, the ceiling over here is getting flipped into a floor support. That's very good. And we still have our eyes on the 171.6 target right up here. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. If you are not yet subscribed, join us here on the channel. All links down below. It does help support the channel. Please make your own financial decisions. All right, guys, take it easy.